What's going on YouTube? It's Jason again with JJ Drones, and today we're coming at you with another review from Coosolux lighting. Let's get into the video. All right guys, first thing I'd like to do is I'd like to thank Carson for sending me this light, because this is going to be a game changer for me, especially when it comes to doing any sort of videos at night. Now this is a light that not only can you charge with USB-C, but this is a light that you can also charge with solar power. Now when you're going out and you're doing camping, this is going to be perfect for you, because you don't have to worry about whether you're going to have to find a place to plug it in to charge it. When you open up the bag, this is what you get. And this was Velcro strapped in there. But this is the light itself. Now, I did have this out so that I could charge it, so that we could actually do this review. Now, this is a two-part light. Now, it can work in conjunction with each other, or if you want to just use one part of it. Now, this is kind of a pain because this is a pretty solid magnet, but you can pull it off, and it actually has a hook on here so that you can just hook this up somewhere and you can, you know, use it as a reading light or what have you. Now this has like 6 modes on it. The big light itself has 4 modes on it, and we'll go through the modes when we're outside. But just to put it back together, like I said, it's got a magnet. It's a strong magnet. Now this goes up to about 5,000 lumens, which is super bright, and this didn't connect back together like it was supposed to because I put it in backwards. Okay, so let's put it in the right way. All right, now if you don't put it in the right way, it's going to slide around. So, but now it's on the right way. Everything is connected. If you have the Coosolux logo on the outside, that means that it's on the right way. If you put it on the other way, there's just a USB-C charging port so that you could actually charge this independently, USB-C. So just so you know. Now, it also comes with this tripod, and we're going to put this tripod together here so that we can use this outside. This is very similar to the tripod that I have already, I do believe. Yeah, so just loosen that up. And then push that down. Now you can make the base as wide or as narrow as you want, depending on what you're trying to do. So we're going to leave the base like that for now, so we just tighten that down. And then you have 2 other stages that you can use to make it as tall as you want. I do believe it goes up about 6 feet. Now that is spring-loaded, and I wasn't expecting that. There we go. Yeah. So in order to get this to go higher, all these have to be loose. Okay guys, so that is good, and that is good. And then this one is tight. So now at the top of this is where you're going to put your light. Now I do believe that this is going to be super easy as well. Now there should be 2 notches. Yeah, there's 2 notches on the side of this rod. So you put this in here, and there's 2 metal pieces. So you just push these in and push down. And you see how that comes popping out? That means it's secure, okay? Now with this light, you can rotate it however you want. You just loosen this up. Now you can rotate it down, you can rotate it up. So you pretty much have a lot of options with how that's going to work. Now we're going to take this outside and we're going to go through all of the modes and show you what it looks like. So stay with me. What we're working with is the Galaxy Solar Work and Garden Light. Now this light is just something that I've never seen before, and the reason why I wanted to do this review is because it is something that is very unique and something that you can use pretty much anywhere that you go. It's fantastic and I absolutely love it. This is something I'm going to be using for my YouTube videos when I have to basically do a video at night like this, because right now it is as dark as you can get, okay? And I've got it on this side of the garage on purpose because I don't have any other lights. I don't have any street lights. I don't have any of the lights for my house. Everything is dark at this point, okay? So let's turn around the camera and let me show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I know you can't really see me all that well because I'm standing next to the light, but I just wanted to show you some of the options. Now this is actually the dim option that it has. It has a couple brighter options. So you can hit the button once, and that's medium. Hit the button one more time, and that's as bright as it goes. And that's your 5,000 lumens right there. I mean, this thing is as bright as the sun, I'm telling you. And then if you want to hit SOS, because it's an SOS feature that this light does have, you just double tap the button, and then you have an SOS. So if you're having problems, it's something that you can do. Or if you want to just feel like you have a strobe light, you can boogie down like you could before. You know, Coosolux is good for that, okay? So all you have to do is tap the button once, and we're back to normal again. Now, let's say you're out camping or whatever, and let's put it down to the bare minimum, okay? You're out camping, and one of your kids wants to go to the bathroom, but they don't want to go anywhere without a flashlight. Not a problem, okay? So all you have to do is just say, here, take this with you, and now they're good to go. You've got your handy little light here. Now, like I said, they have that strap that you can use as a tether that you can put on here. You can use the hook that's on the back of here, and it's just real easy. You just unfold it, and now I've got a hook. You can hang this from somewhere so that you can have a reading light. And again, this has more modes than even that one does. So this is low, okay? There's medium. There's high. And then you have a spotlight. And then you have super high. Okay? You didn't think the other one could get any brighter, but this one does get brighter. Let me tell you, I shine this in my eyes in the house, and it is bright, okay? So that's back to low. And then this one alone has an SOS as well. So you just double tap the power button on the back of this, and there's your SOS, okay? Now you can turn this on and off independently just by pressing and holding the power button, okay? So we're going to put this hook back in the back there. And then, again, like I said, in order to know what way you have to put it in, well, you probably can't see it, but right here, there's a slot for a USB-C cord. So we're going to put the USB-C cord slot right up against the light like that. And now everything is connected back together again. Now this does also come with some stakes that you can basically pound in the ground. There's a hole in each foot on this tripod. So if you want to secure that light down and you're not going to be moving it anytime soon, you just hammer these stakes in. There's also a USB-C cable in here, and then there's a tether. Now this tether is going to be for this part of the light that you can take off, because you can actually use that as like a flashlight. You can find all sorts of different uses for that portion of the light. So all this stuff is going to be handy, and the bag that they give you to put the light in, this is going to be a nice little bag to carry it around with you. Now, I don't plan on using this for camping. I plan on using this as a light. So when I'm filming at night, I think this is going to be extremely helpful. And like I said, guys, this light is going to be something that I'm going to use on a pretty regular basis out on the road, especially if I have to do a video at night, because look at the light, just on minimum. Okay, guys. Now, this light is going to run you right around $95 on Amazon, and that's the full price. But if you go and order it right now, there's a $20 coupon, so you can actually get it for $20 off. I will have the link for this light in the video description below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you would use this light. What would you use it for? Would you use it for GoPro? Would you use it for camping? Would you use it as a work lamp? I mean, this thing is tremendous, because not only do you have the ability to charge it using USB-C, you can also use it with solar power. And the solar power is going to keep that light charged so that you always have a light that you can depend on at night. And let me tell you guys, this is really, really fascinating. And I didn't even know that something like this existed. And Carson, like I said, thank you very much for allowing me to review this light, because I'm going to be using this on my travels out there on the road. So thank you very much. And if you appreciate the fact that I give you information like this and products like this, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you can be notified the next time I do one of these lighting or any other videos reviews on YouTube. Definitely, if you have the opportunity, put in the comments below whether or not you're going to be purchasing this. Let Carson know that you appreciate the fact that he's allowing me to do these review videos, because I know some of you have actually gone out and purchased some of these items, and I hope that you are getting good use out of all of them. I appreciate all of you for coming along for this ride with me, and we'll see you later on down the road. Bye, guys.